Voila.
It's a lot of fun.
This was the cream of the crop, the end of the rainbow for the first generation after the DB4, DB5, DB6. Boom, turn it on. Yeah, we want to thank you for the same age. Like an old DB4, DB5, or E-type Jag, but all modernized, okay? HID headlights and the almighty V12 in their own iteration, but this car with the V12. You got the navigation.
No.
It was in that screen. It's in the same size screen. Yeah, guys, if you want to take a look, even though it's not in there, but it would have been. This is the first navigation screen built in. It's a Jaguar, yeah, correct. So you see that little square in the middle, down low? Like you're going to be able to see it. So here's the differences, guys. When you go around the navigation, the DD9 is great. And the both V12s, but now this is pumped up another 150 horsepower. We all put Michelins, we got away from the logos, the terrible. If you buy Michelin cars, don't have a
merge their businesses to steal wings.
everything.